Hello guys, today's video is about unboxing Bose Smart Soundbar 600. I got this soundbar from JB Hi-Fi and got delivered today. I would like to open this soundbar and show you guys what you get inside the box when you buy Bose Smart Soundbar 600. Let me unwrap the box and show you guys what you get inside the box. So box is really nice. I really like the size of the box. It's not too big, not too small. The soundbar itself is not too big, not too small. It's really good for your mid-size living room. That's why I got this soundbar. Let me cut through the box and show you guys what you get inside the box. So first thing, the foam protection for the soundbar. And what else? A booklet showing how to connect your soundbar to a TV or any other device. Make sure you guys read the information on this booklet before you connect your soundbar to a TV or any other device. There's a lot of information here, and let's open the box. This is the main event, guys. Soundbar itself, it's really good size. I really like the size of this soundbar. And there's some more thing in here. The first thing is power cable to connect your soundbar to a power source, and HDMI cable, optical cable, and a remote control, guys. It's got some basic feature: volume, how to connect your TV, connect TV button, boost, increase, and this is there anything else in the box? That's all. I think that's all we got. That's all we get in this box. So there's a lot of information in the box itself. Make sure you guys read all of this, because it's this soundbar is fully packed with a lot of features in it. It's got Alexa built in. It's got upward firing speakers, dedicated upward firing speakers. That's what I like about this soundbar. And it's compact, small. So make sure you guys read whatever is in the box. So remote control, HDMI cable, power cable, and an optical cable. You can either connect your soundbar through HDMI cable or optical cable, but I suggest you guys to connect your device, this soundbar, through HDMI cable, so that you get more features out of a smooth connection and more features out of HDMI cable than optical cable. I've added some of the key features of this soundbar at the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video with me. Catch you up next time. Thank you.